Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining. Today we're gonna do like a really simple upgrade to Shelby the truck here, and we're gonna put some Husky Fender Liners in here. It's super quick and simple, and this might be right up your alley if you live in an area that uses a lot of salt on the roads, or if you live on like a ranch with like a rock or pebble driveway or something like that. Me, I'm just doing it purely for the aesthetic standpoint because I think it really cleans up the look of the bed area. I'm also gonna point out that this kit is a little light on the hardware, so I bought some extra washers, and then I'm also gonna include some extra hardware for the back of the fender. But check this out, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for joining, appreciate it. J-hooks.